Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and hope you guys are doing well. And let's quickly see what's going on with VECHAIN because we did have a little bit of a pump, yesterday, earlier today. But look at this, we were making this beautiful pattern. Look at this left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and then we had a price target towards the upside like I explained, and you can see this was the price target. We didn't get all the way up there. Sometimes, when you have these price targets, sometimes you break this neckline and then boom, you meet it like in couple of minutes. Sometimes it takes hours. But you know that Bitcoin started coming down and it took a lot of altcoins with it. Okay, but we did break this, neckline. So that's a positive sign. So slowly we're trying to get there, and now this is where we got rejected at. Show you. Okay, so if you look at this pattern over here, this pattern. So once we came down, it made a very similar pattern, broke towards the upside. This was support, boom, to the upside. See, it took some time to go to the upside. Same way, we have broken this important neckline, okay? And so what does that mean? We have, uh, beaten the bears that were selling over here. So what happens now is you're all the way up here. Now, if you take a look at this in the smaller time frame, okay, you can see this pattern being formulated, okay? I'll just bring your line over here, and then this line over here, because this is where all the accumulation went. And we have this. As soon as we broke it, you can see the price movement towards the upside. Came back in, moved back out. Now we have this area where we need to get out from. If we can break this, price can start moving towards the upside. But at the moment, the momentum has shifted towards the downside because it is making this kind of pattern, like a falling wedge kind of pattern. If you could just break this resistance, then yeah, we can start moving towards the upside, and then this can be the price target 0.05726, okay, at the top right over here, okay. But yeah, overall it is kind of in this formation where we need to just have a little bit of a bullish momentum going for VeChain and come and hit this red line, okay? Because once we get to this red line, which is a very important line for VeChain, okay? Get over here, and this is the shortcut because you can see what VeChain is doing, okay? You can see break this. This is a shortcut, and this is where the apex is for this pattern, okay? Symmetrical triangle. If we can just come here, get over it, that's going to be really awesome. And one more thing I want to share with you for VeChain, if you look at this pattern a little bit closer in the daily time frame, uh, look at this pattern, and I told you that keep an eye on these reversal patterns. You can see once we broke this, this red support line, we came down, came back up, came down. Now we're coming back up. See, we're making bullish patterns, okay? And this is a resistance area, okay? You can see this is a huge resistance area because we broke this, we came down. Broke it, went up. All support, broke it, came down. So you know why? This is a very significant area. I'll just draw a line for you guys so you guys can pay attention to this area right over here, okay? And this is actually 05631. This is an important area. You break this, you will come all the way up to 6. You break this area, you will come all the way up to at least 6219. Okay, so you break this, come over here. Okay, so again, I'm sorry I got a little deviated, but yeah, uh, you came down, you came up, you came down, came up, you break this area, you will come up, get to this price action which sits at 68. Okay, once you do that, you can always come down, okay, and wherever you find this support at, you could find it here, or you could find it at this yellow line, okay? Because this is a very significant area. You can see what you're doing now. You're making a head and shoulder pattern, okay? So this is going to be a head and shoulder pattern. Once you make this bullish pattern, this becomes your neckline. And then wait for the breakout at this area, wherever that breakout is going to be. I'm not saying it is guaranteed, but only if we make this amazing head and shoulder pattern, okay? Let me do this again. So this, break this, come up, come to this level, come down, maybe find support here or find support here. This becomes your neckline, okay? Also, what will happen if you find support anywhere over here or here, this is what you're doing then. You're making a ascending triangle formation. So you have to look for these reversal patterns, okay? If you are able to make these reversal patterns anywhere over here, that's going to be really bullish for VECHAIN, okay? Now let's quickly see what's going on in the weekly. And you can see this is a very, let me show you. Where are we right now? Okay, we're right over here. Yeah, this over here is a very strong support level for VECHAIN. Right over here. Okay, this is a very strong support level. So even if VECHAIN fails to break this red line and fails to make this bullish pattern in the daily time frame, you can expect VECHAIN to come a little bit below. Only if Bitcoin comes down now, because I can see that a lot of people are getting, the bears are getting frustrated now, because I think the selling momentum for VECHAIN is just, they're just losing momentum now. So I think it's time for the bulls to step in, and hopefully, whenever we see this resistance getting broken, that's going to be an indication a reversal is going to be in play. But before that, you have to watch out for this reversal pattern. If this plays accordingly, okay, like that, and then this is the neckline, or this is the neckline, then yeah, a breakout can come, because it's actually making a good comeback at the moment, I would say. It's in progress about 75% there at the moment, okay? And you can see in the daily time frame we are above the 20 moving average as well, okay? If we can keep this momentum above and break this yellow line, that's a green light, okay? You can see volume is also coming in at the moment, so keep an eye on this. Okay, guys, this is it for VECHAIN, and let's quickly see the monthly. Okay, monthly is also in this formation at the moment. Yeah, this is it for VECHAIN for today. Let's see the RSI. Everything is normal. Okay, guys, this is it for VECHAIN. If you like this kind of video, just hit the like button so I get a confirmation you guys are enjoying these videos, so I can keep making and keep updating you guys. Okay, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And I'm almost there to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Just subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so I can get to the 1,000, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.